Anka GN Savings and Loans omo license ayaji free omo nsem emre bi atwam na anka ensan emfama wo na emum no se no Supreme Court so ka se omo ntwen kaka omo twentwen so it is halted and say bia omo nye no kra na emum no omo twentwen so nsisa license no so ehon semeni. Graphic employee assaulted by Nungua police officers. Na ohwe mfonyi eda Daily Graphic anope atimu say brother ya oda enchen ho ya ya page 2 ewe nanim nyina ahoho no wajebro oye journalist oye adwuma ewo graphics Daily Graphic hono na Nungua police officers abomoden show ni mafia o show ni samia o mabro no eno ne ensem bia ekoso wa say public land rezoning requires parliamentary approval locks up na kasei na no so yedimu sembe bremo minority seeks answers over Iyoko arrest edom kuma ewo mashebedwam echem se Iyoko fo anaso se attorney general ba kwa video amhwe na honorable afenyo market say ka say attorney general emra na omeyi ano sentia na nzen macho ekoso sa ene yachiwe echina yachiwe ene yachiwe echina yachiwe no omofa muaye emfa mra na obia enya ne ho entiase enti Daily Graphic ninsama anope odi aba betudwa no ena maboboso no.
Okay, yen fa the Ghanaian Times and so so see am say who ni sika ade a untimi embe hold political position dia in Ghana cause ebi hu say elections bi cause so abu say na leaders no omu tuatua sika ede ma omu manfo senia ye beto aba ede amom ni sisi anu say who ni adwuma ye na say who ni sika wo de be baake wo politics na enya ade a ubetimi abedi penyi ewo Ghana hanom. Okay, nationwide crackdown on illegal sand winning begins. Minerals Commission omode enyema bi abetudwa ebe ensure say illegal sand winning ekoso wo Ghana no ombetu ase kra. Bank of Ghana revokes Z-Pay license over regulatory breaches. Z-Pay enkrata ebwama omodidi omodjuma no ade a Bank of Ghana eje efi omunsa enti sisi an Z-Pay enya ade a omobetimi ede omodjumedie no atoaso. Okay, roll about exports restrictions boosting local purchases. Say no so AFIBA aka ehun asem enti we ni nsem bia ewo the Ghanaian Times anope.
The insights the ubo nkrasa no so edi nsem bia ba betudwa na anope se na wutie ye news ye kase ebo na meka Gitaunde bia akoso ewo Gold Board ene Ghana Water Company Limited intem ebeboa ama nsese bi akoso ewo some water treatment plants be ewo 3 mining communities. Now I Gold Board commits 8.4 million Ghana cedis to restore 3 water supply systems in mining areas. Not just zika omode akwako shemu no 8.4 million Ghana cedis. Cracks in MPP Warren Paul Afoko and Ochim say MPP amayoko no mpape moment me wan say watimi wakame ne niema bi a ema kroye enkoso ewo party ni mu no hadwen pa. US launches new attacks on Iran as Trump claims right to control Hormuz. US and Israel against Iran and Tokano ekoswa na new adefo for kra ekoso ene say US esanso e dey attack for kra fresh one ekọ ama Iran na ochim say Donald Trump say ono na otumi say obe control Strait of Hormuz ensa abia na ship no efa na mo dey distribute oil to the whole world no. Donald Trump say or no and otumi say obe control sa part no kai hu say sa part no Iran for share so intifatu usrimusa. Okay, 100 small defenses why Accra's floods demand distributed resilience, not another great pond. Yo, na we so analysis bi a cost article bi a obi che ekwan e befa so a flood na cost enkanka wo Accra no e betimi eto ase na no step by step nkete small little drops of water makes the mighty ocean tie ye nkakra na efe aye kese instead of say ye betu mrika na efe ye nya hwe emfimu no. Minister says 43% of deaths in Ghana linked to non-communicable diseases. Into no, also for enso na mu say Ghana has ya ewu ankofo ewu no ofa be say 100 ya we mu 43% ewu a enye nsanyare ene de baye ewu a enye nsanyare ene de baye nti no so ne details anase nseme wo mu ankasa no ukọ the insight we bon krata no benya ewo ho. Education Ministry urges police to intensify efforts to arrest and prosecute bullying SHS teacher. What was this? I think anyway she was saying and as I me ebesi michim na I was na me show video bi asa efasa insensem no SHS sex tapes in ade no be e kan wasem na be si me chim say if it is omoka say omo asake body teacher no margin certificate e free nsem maintain update bia from that I understand say be omo pese students no so involved or your mind and say be omo pese omo protecting ne privacy bia ne sanity and as be bia sa but what happened to the teacher no yente ho hwe
na nim say teacher na ba out sabe plead say ma omonje ne certificate ne license no enfininsa na mom no yen transfer ne nko ikrase
the F country na ikrase no ikrase
na hono mo okono ko ye de ne ma ebe na yate
and ikrase nipa ni ho emma ni ho French girl when French girl say go ikrase
me won nti no so ne nsem bia teacher no so e de abetudwa
body no a city body is not a city. It's okay to say found go a class I mean near person when chere. Okay, but you're trying updates. You're trying update GS and the Ghana Police Ministry of Child Social Welfare neka more in charge in patrol. You're trying updates. Move for updates in Fambra. And person beba say ya can was and no yen hushe. Okay. See, I think in some I wrote the news site ni na de maka.
Okay, and share the metro lens. Parliament is losing focus. Anodon prayer hits majority over 27 questions, 400 pending referrals. Okay, when Sunni in Sambia, Anodon prayer. Ede Abetuja. Supreme Court throws GN savings license restoration into limbo. GN Bank. And say about out say idea nanka abane pese or restore the license no edemano bas I say enyama ankwesisa. Okay. Yenfa Africa Today and so saboteurs in the presidency. Staffer accused of suppressing farmers' petition to president over land grabbing in Shai Osuduku. Say no see asase hun sensem bi na presidential staffer bia or war
Okay.
Say or so, prevent assembly from reaching the right audience.
I think appointees be a person monkofa ekwani bi asase. And I watch your petition and the akwakoma so it has to go through the right channel if you baby nebeko baby. Name sa ankofo na so esanso it's na petition so say na be enju president
no they have power and intimidation be koso ewo honum. President Mahama tasked to investigate 80% of NDC members linked to Seshi Akontombra Galamsey scandal by NPP chairman. Okay, investigation means so it was say koso among the majority in parliament, which is NDC. Okay, stop the political noise and answer the 55 million questions when Sony in Sambia Henry Enusa Imbila catcher a year NPP. Okay. MP threatens to terminate contractors' agreement over delays and shoddy work on Ayimensa Damfa Amrehia Road project. MSA NDC bar power no a lot of roads are under construction. Na contractors be now so ya dia omojuma na omudi no mundi ni ye omuye delays ebi so a very shoddy work and MPB afade ato no ho say obe visit these various sites na wa share ejuma ekoso wo henti no odu ho na ejuma no nye ni ye a dia contract no obe terminate. Okay, Tantra Hill Queen Mother pleads with Mahama to fix roads and build fire service station. Okay, ohima bia owo Tantra Hill or the ninsem bi ato mampeni enim se mampeni hwe na ombesi fire service station ewo ne mante mu senia ebeboa ama dwumedie ne niema eja hyehye ho nsem ne niema ombetimi adele with it in a rightful way. Okay, inti we so na nsem bia ewo Africa Today.
What the Daily Times are not paying no, or say Western North appeals for airport residents say region deserves equal development. And na Western North, for Western North is so ena or more air kase yelfa ban say omo wadia no ntwe ni emfa emme hwe wo mo san so omo so omo pay airports. Omo so omo pay airports ewo ho na amafo no so kire say region no omo so hia se mpunto ebeba omo akwan mu omo so hia se mpunto ebeba omo ho na recently when you make my opinion now me share news stories any ade there is some parts of Ghana was 16 regions what I say but it seems like a bilum no you should pay attention to one of them a show of follow northern, upper east, upper west and western region a lot of natural resources. Western region and western north it's so much in the western region and western north a lot of natural resources. Anka you see tapping into 8 pan near the AFIBA Ghana has a IMF but you jar more ESSIEN chain and all the attention no say Accra na before these regions are mobile to encounter. So I think more deserve equal development when
it comes to some parts of Ghana being neglected in development process and no is it that the MPs in those areas aren't putting in effort in ensuring say or more crop for no they are being served equally senior other regions, whatever other regions are getting? Is it that the MPs are not doing their works properly or what? Because as an MP, I was saying when I want to champion projects, I was saying Oman team. I was saying I will lobby for projects. Since it's I don't know whether MPs no more yana.
Yes, to me, I can say ebi more because the only time a crowd now or call ne impetuous no time or here or move votes.
Yes.
You not to abani repair MP ira o hwehwe na uhunu baby or Accra.
No cry people say it's me ba ofie no ebeka banku. So say once they get the seats no na say omeja omonko
nti ebi mu ye adwuma I won't lie ebi mu so de akom kakra ebi so akom bebre ti no so ye sama ekoso ha say Western North region Korea journalists deserve better you neglect poor pay and intimidation must end nti eno so na nsem bi so ekoso ewo journalists nsem chofo omo Western North region na omo so che say omo so omunya bi eyeye omo yeyi a eye na munya ka ni sika ni bi eye esanse kamaya say yetwi yeni ama wo mo akesia omunya papa ade chi ade san so kofo popo mani gu omo so saa bro nyina enemu
AFIBA ka ho it's who can fa
ye ka ho na ye kofo popo omani gu ye so ade chi ade san wa bro ye saa nti aban yesrew GJA ne aban nyina mo kon nankra na on se na be ya sao how ni na to betwa in this 21st century and the 21st century president na yesi mu ache in this 2026 and so see yeti say you bro journalist yesrem aba na say be dan ye adwuma nti mo mboaye yo me so ana me call infrastructure gaps expose development challenge GHIE highlight funding and maintenance failures. All right. See, and also in service Daily Times and the pay midday well.
Okay, and share the national voice. Supreme Court will not bow down to NDC's pressure over third-term bid. Lawyer Paul Chun Berima says Supreme Court and Chief Justice too intelligent and discerning to fall for childish political gimmicks. Me say, enipa binum kase idea your man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on sound call for a third term. Na eno nso no dom kuma a more parliament NPP idea omo njintum conversations be surrounded this issue no idea omo njintum and any echna nti lawyer Paul Chumberima in same way na ebesudwa. Okay, Miracles Abuaji case sparks outrage. Miracles Abuaji and so ehun koso very much in Ghana at the moment. Let me say at the moment no oye aid edema Dr. Baumia na me say during time na owo power owo imposition no sikasem bi sikedie bi ekoso na nesa no iyoko ema no 50 million bail na eno no e was say 3 sureties justify now. NPP for about say the terms surrounding the bill no it's outrageous and it doesn't really make sense into they are not in agreement with whatever is going on. Okay, let's raise leaders, not just scholars. We so in Sembia Dr. Gerald Nyanyofi and so Ede Atuja. ERP rates Mahame's first year below average, scores government 4.9 over 10. A year Mahama ne Jumedia or Disensa or Asene Power no. A idea or ma marking na marking so you say a beman of 4.9 over 10. AFIBA 4.9 no Obeka say wapasi and passe
4.9 over 10. What they say F for?
Sir,
F for failure.
Na term na kind saka 2 years.
It don't and 2 years, Papa. You're July, 2026, July, 2027, 2028, okay. And I cut 2 years,
but first 2 years, not 4 points, okay.
And you're better at Trema.
In terms of for improvement,
it's no. So you a class prefect fresh. No one's young order in the classroom. Forget
at the very beginning.
And third term, last term, no now this may be and buy a nana was only baby. At least Uncle you say okay, you pay you didn't buy idea. It's a sayaba. Now 10, yama 5, yama half 4 points then. Jai
4.9.
It don't matter.
Almost 5.
0.1 no crown. Jai failure way F no nya.
Enti marking say dey my man penyin no we it's not from us. Yes, it's not from us. Enti AFIBA yo fatwa so my.
Ya called the custodian eso na Kasai Paul Afoko launches chairmanship bid promises to unite NPP. Enti Polafoko last or the ni chimo po aba betuja se o pese o ojina ne yeto ne so aba no be NPP amanyoko no chairman na o hyebo se o ba ne efe ne se unity en kabom ne de ebe koso NPP mo pa. Impulsive Iyoko blasted over cruel oppressive bail conditions. Enti no nkofo aso mano hu Iyoko for so ache se Fadzini beka say alapay o majipa as which we say bail conditions to some miracles they 50 million Ghana cedis fats okwakofa way nti eno so any ensembia ekoso Atoforcing presents mid-year budget on July 23 nti July there to so eduonumiensa 23 no Atoforcing the mid-year budget no ebeba ababetuja o hwefo ni eda ha ne bag sa bag we ye popular Ghana ha say first budget o mo kenkan bag we o ajinidin World Board to fix 3 Ghana water limited plants with 8.4 million Ghana cedis. Medinkai akaho asem dada. Tension mounts in NDC over Mohammed's third term saga. And so no, I boba, we see yes, we see no, we say no, we say no, and also in Zambia, Ecoso, it's an President Mahama. May allegedly third term na opese okono. Nti ano so so ye nsema efree the custodian eba no pay.
Okay, and shared daily guide. Gold board injects 8.4 million to fix Galamsey. To fix Galamsey, yes, say no say de ehun asem abadeda. Afoko seeks NPP chairmanship on unity reconciliation. So say I call Afoko say I no na NPP unifying body. I say every week he's in the news.
Yeah.
Okay, he's doing a very good job at that. Okay. Iyoko Rambo style arrests threaten democracy. Afenuma ke okay when so ne assembly afenuma ke dia betudwa concerning procedure and our processes are Iyoko efaso e dey arrest nipa no say one omo and agree on that level.
Rambo moving o shebi.
Mashepan.
Okay. And you obeti ase. All right.
Supreme Court holds JN savings and loans license restoration. Okay. And also in Zambia, the daily guide. AFIBA.
Daily analyst leadership and but junior graphic and so can be answered women in leadership cry ebebano. I say flood disrupts classes in southern Volta. Over 10,000 learners affected. Sama na making said there are some parts of Ghana. It seems like ye ni ama womu development no akakakra ebi so akabebre na oko southern voters see just classrooms binu nsuo afa womu ma de sua for best 10,000 na ebro sa na omo ho aka muntimi nko classroom muntimi nko sua de muntimi nko school ma de sua esensen enframa ma yehun bebia ye de eko yo confident girls we emfoni of girls bia omukita band say the school band of the Springs Preparatory School in Ho Volta region rehearsing last Friday ahead of their end of term program. Nti anonso ne program bi eba bekoso e wo school mo hono. Junior graphic parliament and you quiz and also so junior graphic onya bi na okan ebeboa. Women and leadership and so say Honorable Abna say Asare Mfoni Eda say chairman of the Public Accounts Committee no. Now I say Parliament adopts Auditor General's fertilizer audit, calls for improved access for smallholder farmers. It's no Auditor General ne report bi a odikoto mrahye bedwam say omonhwe na omonfa yie entu yie no say no omasom acheso mode eye adwuma say ekuafo enkanka nketenketefo ya mo enye on the last scale ni ade no ebeboa wo mo na omedwuma so akọ enim. All right, Ghana Climate Center of Excellence seeks parliamentary support for women-led climate initiative. And you know, Ghana Climate Center of Excellence and now omo edo masema kwakoto emrahye bedwam say omo emwa wo mo na omo so omo sen enkanka ewo ema adwumadi a omo di ewo climate change no emu nti say ma edi dwumadi bi ebeboa ma climate change akoyi a ewo se parliament eboa wo mo. Dorcas Tofe champions women's economic empowerment at Dorcas Tofe champions women's economic empowerment at Francophonie Parliamentary Assembly. Into a member of Parliament for Jomro, Dorcas Afo Tofe. Or no, and now or say women empowerment. See, she man crying, yeah, ma support to be or muhia. Ebe boawo mo enkanka se ba no economy no se omo edidwa ene ade omo ye businesses omo didwuma bia ebe boa no e wo se yeso omasen e wo se yeso omasen na ye de support ni na ema wo mo perpetual lomoki akwada champions principle based leadership and loyalty. Into say we leader we die domenim we die domechi o kita di baby na but modern say bibi e friend say principles no o de ehihye bi ebeye adwuma o se wonya se we na me principles menye we ha eno ene beboa ama wo dibren awukita no etimi akonanim na wetimi aye adwuma so eye. All right, nti no ne ensem bia koso ewo ha say the Punch Africa Edim Fonyi bi ababeto say o President Mahama shows compassion to accident victim. Say obinya accident na President Mahama isi from so akwakoboa no bibisa story no ewo Punch Africa. Gomwa East DC leads national cleanup exercise. All right, international so nsem bia koso ewo Punch Africa. Newspapers no doso ebebre eka we ho na bomodia se obekọ News Africa online website no so na fi ubenya ne keka ho nyina na onso wo de aboa ho se ne ese na efata ye na ya sori dwumadie no so na ye de ne nyina esi ha sei na ye sha ase no ye de nyankopon na sha ase nti ye be sanso adanase se waboa ma ye dwumadie yetimi edi ne fefefe so na nsuo ni yese beto de nemum no emse ewiem no atekakra ai nti no yeda na se pa nkwa wo de a che mpo no yeda ase yeda won so ase bebi awo bi a wo hwe Coastal TV channel 514 wo hwe ye wo Facebook and also YouTube no yeda ase mo amotimi frɛ ye mo amotimi send messages yeda mo nyina ase na bomodi ase obekoso na efei wahwe Coastal TV makacho 24-hour economy na ye wo fi ase ti se wo hu morning mix jumede we hu manim we hu DELPHINA anima programs ahodo so eba nti bomode na woni ye entna na yemfase da maya boa for National Petroleum Authority NPA diesel gift shop Nesto Ventures Patmo Print and the Taste Kitchen Services me pacho media of me ameje so AFIBA ESSIEN mene me sister na wa hase
AMPOMAA DELPHINA
yo na ya ha na edwumadi ni na ebesi sankofa ye nchiri mi refiye mami sanso nkomachi yes CEO ya director anti gifty and the motivational message no e de breye ai ye da se mommy babia wo bia no ye bon person akoba be ma ho de na anopa bia wa ye ne sa e de amaye Ghana Health Service in paying for Alhassan Dauda Georgina Lamte Crab Benjamin Rosemond Toto and Mr. Matthew o senem ni de menya tutorials ansa na metimi abo enti no fa cheme Mr. Matthew enso edi omanima one omobaye ye do bia se nyame adoma echina divine selection no ebi kan ye story ya wanwani etimi kasa nko ade a ye bi sanso ehia e wo morning mix dwumadie no eso one nyankopon entina
Every day in the mirror I see a woman, and every time I look in mama I see that woman, a wonderful woman, an African woman, mother of nature, beautiful woman, beautiful woman. Me was super wild, but you're my one fat to say.